Hey guys, Thomas here with TCR Gaming with a review video on the SoundBot SB571. So I had this for a couple months now and it's been really good to me. I really like, just the way it looks, the way it feels. I dropped it, nothing happens. It's really cool about what this can do. And so this video, I'm talking about the features, stuff that I do like, stuff that I don't like, and I'll be doing a sound test towards the end of this video. So yeah. So let's talk about some features. So what we got on this, we got 12 hours of playback time, and I love that because I don't charge this. I never charge this. This speaker I barely ever charge. And it's just, like I only charge my phone. I don't really charge this ever. And it's a 1000 milliamp battery, which you think is not a lot, but for a speaker this size, that's pretty good. And it's 12 hours, so better than a phone, I guess. So you can when you're using this, you can play off of aux in. You see on the back here, I'll zoom in for you guys. So we got the aux, and then we got a micro USB port for charging, and we got the power switch. And yeah, so basically, yeah, it's really nice, and you can use it with iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, PC. And yeah, but it doesn't take like micro SD cards, which some cheaper speakers do, but it's not cheap. It's like $25, $27 on Amazon. The link will be in the description box below, as well as unboxing of this speaker. So yeah, you guys will see what you get in the box, like in that unboxing video. And yeah, the sound quality is pretty good. I don't get really a lot of distortion, which is pretty good. I just don't. The one thing I don't like about this, it's just when there's when I have a phone connected, and then my friend wants to connect too. And the weirdest thing it would do is it would connect to his phone, say connected during the middle of the song, and then it will play my song, then it'll skip to his song, then his back and forth. And if he made a call, it would go into the speaker, and I can't listen to my music. It's kind of stupid, but I don't know why they would design it that way. Yeah, so you just connect to one. But yeah, and I'll be doing a sound test for you guys to hear in a sec. So let's do a sound test here. Let me just pull up a song here. Just give me a sec. Yeah. It sounds pretty good, and I have a lot of mics on it, so you can hear the full perspective, basically. So the bass response is pretty good. it's very it's not muddy bass. It's very like dynamic, like tappy bass. That's really cool. What I like about that, you know. And then oh, the reason why I have these headphones on, I just had I'm hooked up to my mixer over here, which you guys can't see, but I had to. I'm a certified sound engineer, so I had to hear what this is hearing, so I can get you guys the best quality and quality that you guys are hearing. So yeah, but it sounds pretty good. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We have this new outro now. So we have our latest video. You can click on that on the annotation box, or you can go on the link in the description box below, and I'll have the latest video there too. All right, thank you guys. See you guys.